Now, if you've ever got back from the shop and you found that the cashier forgot to take off the security tag when you get home, and home's 80 kilometers from the shop, it's a little bit frustrating. So I'm going to try and get this off and see how we go. Obviously, your best choice is to take your till slip and go back to the shop and ask them to remove it. But as I said, I'm 80 kilometers away from the shop, so for me that's not a great option. So that's why I have plan B, which is try and take it off myself. Now, if there's any risk of damaging your article, please don't do what I'm doing, because you might be disappointed. Just, you have to be careful, because inside this little container here is some dye. So if you break this, it could spill dye all over the fabric and you can ruin your article. So that's one thing to be careful of. So let's have a go and see how we go. Okay, I'm going to use 2 forks just to put pressure on the pin. So we slip 1 fork in that side of the pin, and we slip another fork in and then once you've got the 2 forks in, you squeeze them like that, just to try and rotate this to just try and open it a little bit. I think we're getting a bit of movement now. Yeah, the forks are getting a bit loose. So we just go on a little bit more till we've got a bit of play. I'm going to take the forks out now. And if you look there now, you can see the pin. So I'm going to take a pair of side cutters, put it on the pin, and squeeze. There we go, that's it. There's the 2 pieces, and the garment is still pretty well intact. So if you enjoyed this, or if you think it was useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. There will be more videos coming. Thank you. Now, I know some of you will be wondering if I stole this item, so I'm just going to show you the cash slip to prove that I actually bought it. And I'd also like to say that I don't condone shoplifting in any shape or form.